Modern eco-factories combine sustainability, precision, and innovation to transform agricultural waste into valuable everyday products.
Today, we're taking you inside a banana wood factory to reveal how eco-friendly products are made step by step.
Welcome to our factory. I'll show you how banana wood and fibers are transformed into table mats, lampshades,
The process begins with banana trees, harvested after fruit production and repurposed instead of wasted.
Each banana stem is carefully inspected to ensure it meets quality standards for durable and eco-friendly products. Approved materials are stored under controlled conditions to preserve fiber strength and consistency.
The banana stems are thoroughly washed to remove dirt, sap, and natural residues.
Advanced filtration systems keep the process clean and environmentally responsible. The stems are cut and split to expose the natural fibers inside. This step extracts usable fibers, forming the foundation of banana wood eco products. Pre-treatment strengthens the fibers, improves durability, and prepares them for shaping and weaving. Once prepared, the fibers move to the main production line, where eco products begin to take shape. Precise weighing ensures that banana fibers and natural binders are combined in exact proportions for strength and durability. Automation controls material ratios to maintain consistency across every eco-friendly batch. Powerful mixers transform loose banana fibers into a uniform composite ready for shaping.
Technicians carefully monitor texture and consistency to ensure optimal flexibility and strength.
Every production parameter is monitored in real time to ensure efficient and sustainable manufacturing.
Once mixed, the material moves seamlessly toward the core transformation stage.
This is the heart of the factory, where banana fibers are transformed into functional eco-products.
Advanced shaping systems give each product its final form and design. After shaping, the products move forward to finishing, where beauty meets durability.
있으니까 이분이 이와지 정말 아파. 있으니까 이분이 이와지 정말 아파.
Controlled cooling stabilizes the structure of banana fiber products after shaping and pressing.
Final polishing gives each product a refined, premium finish.
Natural surface treatments enhance appearance while protecting banana fiber products from wear and moisture.
Before leaving the factory, every banana wood product undergoes a final quality inspection.
Random sampling ensures consistent quality across every batch of banana wood products. Laboratory testing confirms safety, durability, and long-term performance.
Finished products are stored in climate-controlled warehouses to preserve quality. Orders are carefully prepared to ensure safe transportation.
And that's how banana wood products are made, from agricultural waste to sustainable everyday essentials. Modern technology.
And that's how banana wood products are made, from agricultural waste to sustainable everyday essentials. So this is where the magic happens.